Track star, a horse, even animals. He seemed to, at the right time when the pressure's down, at the last few yards, he can get that lead, or he's got enough left to make it. But I had something that he didn't have, and that was the last-minute kick.
What's that last-minute kick?
Just the stamina, the strength. Champion is just one who can come out at the last minute and close the show. As I say, the star closes the show.
Got the game from Papa Spoon, it's set in stone. Told me never leave the barn without 4 shoes on. And we kick it at the stable like we posted in the front yard. Hard shining hard like it just got a paint job. Hit that 4 beat, hit the street, no, it's nothing but heat. And it's quality over quantity, so I can't be beat. We loaded down to hit the ride, they say it might be light. Feel it dressed in purple and gold like I run with Devin White. Got said on Cane Cutter, Charles on Blazing Fire. Coach on Big Cruise, screaming 249. My boy Willie from Bucktown say they bout to shut it down. Got Ducky and Ziggy, so they self-made pride. And I let Major come through, that boy never miss a gate. Gorilla Squad, homie, I'm a different type of 8. 3 up, 1 down, it's mind over matter. Lean back and hold tight, it ain't no bouncing in the saddle. If you ain't racking, you
we just out here live. 7 wood riders, you know, pace yourself stable. Do a little jogging today. We're gonna see what today brings, man.
We messing with the competition. We messing with the competition. Hey, we might be in the same stables, but we coming.
If you ain't racking, you acting. If you ain't pacing, you hating. 3 up, 1 down, make it look like I'm skating. When I punch the concrete, watch them sparks gon' fly. I'm doing 25 or better, watch this little bitch fly. If you ain't racking, you acting. If you ain't pacing, you hating. 3 up, 1 down, make it look like I'm skating. When I punch the concrete, watch them sparks gon' fly. I'm doing 25 or better, watch this little bitch fly. Applying pressure with the click is powerhouse in this bitch. Got Javito and D and can't forget Big Z. Lil' Mine's been with the speed, way before racking was cool. Got a class from bodybuilder, let me take you to school. See, let me take you to the north, where they was known for turning up. Lil' Ricky was tight, Josh was killing it on truck. And this little keg shot, now you could've swear I got him cheap. Now I'm all up in Dallas with CJ and Super Freak. I'm Warren Boss, I'm trying to see what you got. Jonathan Banks on Rocky.
Yeah, I already know the girl, she sitting down 9. You see I ain't break on the way down? Nah, I think I got the little wood.
Heck no.
Yeah.
He way shorter than her.
That's all it is.
58 inches.
I'm Warren Boss, I'm trying to see what you got. Jonathan Banks on Rocky, trying to bust the clock. Got him driving across the water just to buy this stock. We race ready in Perina, we don't feed our stock. And Banks got the bill, so we holding it down. If you ever want some heat, gotta come to H-Town. Push through and look back, but hold tight on the brow. You gotta squeeze a little harder if you're trying to beat out. From Texas, Oklahoma, Mississippi, Atlanta. Florida, Tennessee, Cali, Louisiana. The Bayou Bass, Fall Brawl, Thunder on the mountains. Ain't nothing but 4 beats. I love that count. From my city to your city, watch us switch the game up. Doing 25 or better, watch we tattle roll up. We got them getting in the game just to beat the best. If you ain't racking, you slacking. Y'all know the rest. If you ain't racking, you acting. If you ain't pacing, you hating. 3 up, 1 down, make it look like I'm skating. When I punch the concrete, watch them sparks gon' fly. I'm doing 25 or better, watch this little bitch fly. If you ain't racking, you acting. If you ain't pacing, you hating. 3 up, 1 down, make it look like I'm skating. When I punch the concrete, watch them sparks gon' fly. I'm doing 25 or better, watch this little bitch fly.